Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here Abdurrahim, back again with another video. The video of today is all about teaching you guys some new content. Actually, this is all about Premiere Pro. Now, if you're familiar with software editing like Premiere Pro or other kind of software which you're using, but this kind of tutorial is all about Premiere Pro. But if you're familiar with the timeline and all edits, I give it the go. You can install the Premiere Pro and you get the job done. Now, for further info, let us see what type of tutorial I can share with you guys today, so as you can get it. You remember guys, I made the straight, right? Can we just try it so that I can share with you guys the real concept? Now check this out. I have a bunch of cloth and cape here, and we can just do this way. Check this out. I have this cape, I'm throwing it in my face, then you see it. I've wear it already. That was that was amazing, right? Now what about a cloth here? Now I got a piece of clothes. This is the cloth. Now just check this out. I have this clothes, it's here. Now I want to wear it, right? Now check this out. Dang, this is amazing, man. What about we do another kind of stuff like the other t-shirt? So as you can see, is the shirt. What am I speaking? Is it a shirt or it's a shirt? It's not a t-shirt. A t-shirt, it's having, I don't want to explain about t-shirts and shirts, but let's just do it. Okay, I have this kind of shirt here, as you can see. So I have to just do this way. See this one? Whew. Dang. This is amazing, right? This is so cool. So this is how you get it done. Actually, you have to switch the clothes, capes, and everything else. You have just to. Can I just turn back to normal? Cause I think, and so that I can remain with a black cape. What am I saying? Black. Can we just change this cape to another color? Now check this out, guys. Looks cool, huh? Wow, the tapping and all that. Now how can we just get these things done? Now if you're thinking like, how do I switch this stuff? You have to switch your clothes, you have to switch everything, you have to make it on the timeline, you cut it down and you break it down. Now can we just jump into the machine so as you can see it? So as you can see guys, we have just to go back to the timeline, like we have to go back to the sequence. So after that, you can see if I play on this kind of sequence here, you see there's action which will take place whereby I wear the cape. Boom, you see the cape, I've already wear it already. Check this out. We're bringing another new kind of sequence on the timeline. Now on this kind of sequence, I'll show you how I made the whole video becoming here, how it's working here. Now you need just to put your video on the timeline. After that, you have to roll back, step backward. After that, you have to cut the video, you have to cut the sequence whereby you want your frame to end. Now my frame, I want it to end here. Now I have just to cut the video here. Now after that, we have to attach another kind of sequence over here. Now let us just do it. Cut the video here, step back forward till the place whereby I have wear the cape already and my reaction is like whoa, and I have to delete this sequence. After that, I have to squeeze it a little bit and you check this out. Boom. You see the cape is a little bit faster, but you have to play around with the keyframe so as to make that kind of transition become very sweet on the sequence. Not like you get a transition from the effects side, but this is a custom transition whereby you're just using the sequence. Yeah, so I hope guys you enjoyed this kind of video. It's very legit, and this is how you can just get the workflow done, just like the way you see Casey Neistat or even Peter McKinnon, how they do it. This is how they get the workflow ASAP. You mix a little bit of kind of like two sequence which you want your action and your action to take place. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial of the day, to be very amazing, don't hesitate to drop that thumbs up. And last but not least, if you didn't subscribe to your homeboy here, it would be amazing if you show some love. Yeah, that would be very amazing. If you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim12, and I'm about to sign out, and I'll be catching you guys on the next tutorial or vlog. Yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Or you guys want me to disappear or something?